We all know that food is fuel for our bodies, but what about our brains? It's easy to forget that this complex organ, responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and actions, also needs the right kind of fuel to function at its best. Just like a high-performance car needs premium gasoline, our brains thrive on a balanced and nutritious diet. You see, the food we consume is broken down into nutrients that directly impact the structure and function of our brains. From building brain cells to firing up neurotransmitters, the right nutrients are essential for everything from memory and focus to mood and learning. So, think of your meals as opportunities to invest in your brain health. By making smart food choices, we can literally feed our brains the building blocks for optimal performance. It's about more than just avoiding brain fog, it's about maximizing our cognitive potential throughout our lives. Ready to unlock the secrets of brain-boosting nutrition? Let's dive in. The human brain is an incredible organ, a complex network of billions of neurons that communicate through electrical and chemical signals. To keep this intricate system running smoothly, it needs a steady supply of specific nutrients. Think of it like a high-tech machine that requires the right type of fuel and maintenance to operate efficiently. So, what exactly is this incredible organ made of? Well, surprisingly, the brain is about 60% fat, but don't let that scare you. These fats aren't the unhealthy kind. They're essential for building cell membranes, insulating nerve fibers, and supporting overall brain structure. Next up, we have proteins, making up about 40% of the brain's dry weight. Proteins are the building blocks of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that carry signals throughout the brain, influencing our mood, sleep, and focus. Just like a car needs gasoline to run, our brains need a constant supply of energy to function, and their primary fuel source, glucose. This simple sugar, derived from the carbohydrates we eat, provides the energy our brains need for everything from thinking and learning to dreaming and breathing. When we eat carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream and is delivered to the brain. The brain is a hungry organ, accounting for about 20% of our daily energy expenditure, so maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for optimal brain function. While all carbohydrates provide glucose, not all carbs are created equal. Simple carbohydrates found in sugary drinks and processed foods can lead to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leaving us feeling sluggish and mentally drained. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are digested more slowly, providing a steady stream of energy to the brain, promoting sustained focus and mental clarity. Section 4. Fat is your friend, the good, the bad, and the brain boosting. Remember how we said the brain is mostly fat? Well, the type of fat we consume matters a great deal. There are good fats, the brain-boosting heroes, and then there are the villains, the unhealthy fats that can hinder brain function. Let's start with the good guys, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are crucial for brain health. Omega-3s help build cell membranes in the brain, improve communication between neurons, and may even reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Then we have omega-6 fatty acids, also essential but often consumed in excess in modern diets. Omega-6s are found in vegetable oils like corn oil and soybean oil. While necessary, too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3 can contribute to inflammation, which can negatively impact brain health. Section 5. Proteins, the building blocks of a sharp mind. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues throughout our bodies, and the brain is no exception. But their role in brain health goes far beyond just structural support. Proteins are the building blocks of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that carry signals between neurons, influencing our mood, sleep, focus, and overall cognitive function. Think of neurotransmitters as the brain's communication network. They play a role in everything from regulating mood, like serotonin and dopamine, to boosting alertness with norepinephrine and promoting relaxation with GABA. When we consume protein, our bodies break it down into amino acids, the building blocks of these crucial neurotransmitters. Ensuring an adequate intake of protein in our diets is essential for providing our brains with the raw materials they need to produce these chemical messengers. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. By incorporating a variety of these protein sources into our meals, we can support optimal neurotransmitter production and keep our brains functioning at their best. Section 6. Micronutrients, tiny players, big impact on brain health. Along with fats, carbohydrates and proteins, our brains also rely on a variety of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants to function properly. These micronutrients, though needed in smaller amounts, play crucial roles in brain health, from protecting against oxidative stress to supporting healthy brain cell function. For example, B vitamins like B6, B12 and folate are essential for neurotransmitter production, energy metabolism, and protecting the brain against age-related decline. Deficiencies in these B vitamins can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and even mood disorders. Other important micronutrients for brain health include vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from damage; iron, essential for oxygen transport to the brain; zinc, which plays a role in learning and memory; and magnesium, important for nerve function and may help reduce anxiety. Section 7. Eat smart, think sharp, practical tips for a brain-boosting diet. Now that you understand the basics of brain nutrition, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Here are some practical tips to fuel your brain for optimal performance. Embrace the Mediterranean diet. Research suggests that this way of eating, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, olive oil, fish and nuts, is linked to better cognitive function and a lower risk of cognitive decline. Make friends with fatty fish. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel and sardines per week to boost your omega-3 intake. Go nuts for nuts and seeds. Snack on walnuts, almonds, flax seeds or chia seeds for a brain-boosting dose of healthy fats, protein and fiber. Prioritize whole grains. Choose whole grain bread, pasta and rice over refined grains to support stable blood sugar levels and sustained energy for the brain. Hydrate your brain. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including brain function. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day to keep your brain hydrated and functioning at its best. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. These dietary villains can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes, negatively impacting brain function and energy levels. Remember, making gradual changes to your diet can lead to significant long-term benefits for your brain health. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Your brain will thank you for it.